Hey there, car owners. Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're tackling a common but often overlooked issue: bad negative battery cable symptoms. Before we get started, if you find this information helpful, please press that like button and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps me keep bringing you quality automotive content. Now let's talk about what a negative battery cable actually is. Simply put, it's the ground cable that connects your car's battery to the vehicle's metal frame. This cable completes the electrical circuit in your car, allowing power to flow properly. When it goes bad, it can cause a whole host of problems. Now, let's break down the symptoms you might experience with a faulty negative battery cable. 1. Difficulty starting. When you turn your key, your engine might struggle to come to life. You might hear a slow cranking sound or just a rapid clicking noise. This happens because the starter isn't getting enough power. Due to the poor connection, the starter requires at least 12 volts from the battery to start the vehicle properly. 2. Dim or flickering lights. Another common symptom of a bad negative cable is your headlights may appear dimmer than usual, and your interior lights might flicker or fluctuate in brightness. This inconsistent lighting is a common indicator of a negative battery cable issue. A bad ground connection can cause your lights to dim or flicker, especially when you're using other electrical components. 3. Electrical malfunctions. A faulty negative cable can cause all sorts of electrical gremlins. Your power windows may become unresponsive or operate intermittently, potentially leaving them stuck in their current position. The radio might experience frequent interruptions, cutting out unexpectedly and disrupting audio playback. Perhaps most concerning, your dashboard gauges might go haywire, giving you readings that make no sense. These issues occur because the electrical current isn't flowing smoothly through your car's system. 4. Engine stalling or misfires. A little cable can indeed affect your engine performance. A poor ground connection can disrupt your engine control module and other vital systems. This might cause your engine to stall unexpectedly, which is not fun in traffic, let me tell you. Or you might experience misfires, making your ride feel rougher than a rocky road. 5. Battery drain. A bad negative cable can prevent your alternator from charging your battery properly. You might find yourself needing jump starts more often, or worse, stranded with a completely dead battery. This constant draining and recharging can also shorten your battery's lifespan, leading to more frequent replacements. 6. Visible corrosion or damage. This is one symptom you can actually see with your own eyes. Pop the hood and take a look at your battery terminals. Any greenish, whitish, crusty stuff is corrosion, and it's a clear sign something's not right. Also, check the cable itself for any fraying or visible damage. If it looks like it's been through the ringer, it probably has, and it might be time for a replacement. 7. Complete power loss. In extreme cases, a severely damaged or completely disconnected negative cable can leave your car with no electrical power at all. You turn the key, and silence. It's as if your car has decided to give you the cold shoulder. This total shutdown is your car's way of saying, "Hey, I've got a serious problem here." Remember, these symptoms can mimic other issues, so it's important to get a proper diagnosis. If you're experiencing any of these problems, it's worth checking your negative battery cable. A simple fix could save you from a world of headaches. That's all for today, folks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.